Hey guys, have you heard the news? Dragon Ball FighterZ just came out with a new avatar. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Goku in his autonomous Ultra Instinct form from Dragon Ball FighterZ and from Dragon Ball Super. If you guys must know what Ultra Instinct is, it allows the fighter on a clear mind to react instantaneously to danger. But however, its high speed and power comes at a price of a strain on the fighter's body, and basically, enduring the pain that it endures, it's like blue lightning or something. Anyways, when drawing a Goku in his Ultra Instinct form, you must always start with the eyes. Yeah, that's how it works. You see, Goku's Ultra Instinct form, you see how he achieved it is when he launched a Spirit Bomb on Jiren in the Tournament of Power, and Jiren threw it back at him, and for some unknown reason, Goku absorbed the Spirit Bomb inside of his body, and to be honest, he had no idea what he has become. But he managed to take on a powerful new form of a form only the gods can use, and it's power level beyond Super Saiyan God and Super Saiyan Blue. And you see Vegeta. He has a form of Super Saiyan called Super Saiyan Royal Blue. And it kind of looks like autonomous Ultra Instinct, except it's a power level beyond Super Saiyan Blue. Okay, you see autonomous. When you start drawing Goku, you start with the eyes here. Okay, the next thing you do is that you gotta draw his hair. You see his hair is a silver, a titanium glowing part. Silver titanium. It's like platinum color. I wonder if it's just Goku with silver old hair. Don't tell Goku I said that. He'll use Kamehameha on my face. Oh yeah, right. Goku doesn't. Goku's not that kind of person. Okay, here's his nose. Here. Next up is his face. Next up is his ear and his other ear. Okay. To be honest, I'm actually a big fan of autonomous Ultra Instinct. There we go. Next up, just gotta draw this part of his hair, and then this part of his hair. We're nearly there, folks. Okay, so next up you just gotta draw his arm here, his chest. Here's his nipple. I'm sure his six-pack of abs is like as like foamy rubber or something. It looks like that way to me. Sorry about that, folks. Next up, you just gotta draw his other nipple. And there we go. Okay, glad that's done. Next up, you just gotta draw the arm here. And done. Okay, if you want to see more about Goku, we should draw this sparkly aura around him. And, well, and done. Done. And that's how you draw Goku in his autonomous Ultra Instinct form. If you guys think that's awesome, you should smash that like button and leave a few comments below underneath the screen, and make sure they're all good and awesome. Anyways, that's how you draw Goku Ultra Instinct, and I'll see you guys next time. You know what they say, power has no limits.